guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make black rice water for my Microlocs. I have used black rice before on my loose natural hair, but I wanted to try it out on my Microlocs to see if I have any added benefits. So I got this black rice water from Amazon, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. It's literally black, yes. So I'm just pouring in about like a fourth of a cup. I didn't really measure it or anything like that, but I didn't want to make too much in excess because I'm not going to be spraying like my whole entire hair with it. I'm just spraying for the most part my roots. And now I'm adding some water, that much water. I think I added some more rice in there as well because it just felt like it wasn't enough. And now I'm adding some essential oils. This helps with the smell, at least it did for the white rice water. I never got a bad odor from the white rice water. So I'm adding lavender essential oil and tea tree. Those are the only ones I have on hand at the moment. I would have used citrus ones because those work better for masking the smell, but this is all I had. So I let the mixture sit for about over 24 hours. So I'm gonna say for like 36 hours. And I'm just showing you the bubbles that formed on the top. I was actually smelling the rice water, and it didn't smell what I expected it to smell like. It smelled weird. I can't even like describe what it smelled like, but I'm just putting it in the strainer to drain all the rice water, and then I'm going to put it in that pink spray bottle to spray on top of my hair. And I added some more like regular water, mostly to get the rice out of the container, but also to dilute the black rice waters because I didn't want it to be so potent.
Okay, so I made the rice water. It doesn't stink. It's just, it has a little bit of a slight smell. I'm about to spray this in my roots, and whatever I don't use, I'm going to leave it in the fridge for my next wash day instead of throwing this away because it's black rice water and this stuff is not cheap. I got the package from Amazon. It came in a double package, so 2 packages of black rice. I left 1 package of black rice with my mom. Hopefully she uses it. But I heard that the black rice water has more benefits than the white rice water. So that's what I'm gonna do, giving it a try. I think that's my first time. No, that's my, I used this once or twice when I was a loose natural. So I'm going to spray my roots. I'm gonna try to really focus on my roots. I'm gonna put a plastic bag over my head and then let it sit. I'm doing some cleaning right now in my bathroom in my room. So I'm gonna let it sit while I'm cleaning, especially because I'll be having some heat trapped in my hair and stuff like that. And then when I shampoo my hair, I'm gonna rinse it out, obviously. So. I really want to use the black rice or rice water in general to grow it in my edges here and here, but you know, everywhere for growth. But mainly those two areas, because that's where my hair is the most, it's like very fine hairs, and I don't have a whole bunch of, I don't have a lot of locks in the area just because of how fine it is, and I wasn't trying to put any additional stress on my hair. I do wash my hair every 7 to 10 days, so I'm going to give you guys an update in a month instead of like next week, because I'm not gonna really see any differences next week. I do have a retie, I think in 2 weeks, two or 3 weeks. So yeah, I'll just update you guys as I go along. My first retie was at 3 weeks, and I had a decent amount of growth. So I don't know what I'm gonna be expecting, but I hope that I have added strength. So yeah. All right, so I got my shower cap, AKA a plastic bag. We don't waste no plastic bags around here. We use it for my hair. So I'm gonna let my hair sit for about, well, however long it takes for me to clean up my living space. And I'll rinse it out in the shower and then do my normal wash day. And this is how much I have left. I don't remember how much I started with. I think right here, maybe. No. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. So I'll catch you guys in the shower. So I just got out of the shower, did my whole body routine and stuff like that. So I put this microfiber towel, this is the Turby Twist, on my hair as soon as I got out of the shower so I can soak up all this excess water and stuff. But yeah, my hair is not anywhere near dry. I'm gonna leave these braids in until, ooh, my hair is so frizzy. I'm gonna leave these braids in until my hair fully dries. But I did want to spray my leave-in and my oil on my hair real fast before they fully dry, because I mean, they don't feel like squeaky, like dry. Oh wow, a rubber band came out, but they do feel, oh, 2 rubber bands came out. They do feel like they need some added moisture. Let me pop these rubber bands off of my braids first. Okay, all the rubber bands are out. So now I am going to spray the braid itself and my root with the aloe. And I'm going with this coconut oil spray I don't even know how much coconut oil is actually in here. Coconut oil is the 4th ingredient in this. So, but it smells amazing. The black rice water did smell not funky, but like, I don't know, I can't describe it. It didn't smell great. Even after I put those essential oils in it. So it didn't smell amazing or anything like that. So it's kind of annoying. Usually when I make rice water and I put a couple drops of essential oil in it, it doesn't stink at all. So I don't know why this was different. Okay, so that's my full wash day with rice water. I'm not gonna show you guys the result of this braid out because you've seen it multiple times. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in another video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video as well. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button below, and then also hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. I try to put out new videos twice a week, but I for sure put out a new video every Sunday. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.